How to sign out of Telegram on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can sign out of Telegram on iPhone, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to sign out of your Telegram account on your iPhone, it's actually very simple to do that. Now you might not have been finding the option, but let me tell you that the option is there, but you're just not simply being able to locate it. So I'm logged in on my iPhone. I just come to the settings page. No matter wherever I look, I'm not being able to find the logout button, right? So even if I go to privacy and security, there's no logout. Even if I go to appearance, there's no logout, and so on. So you might think this application is just like WhatsApp or Viber, where you have to simply delete the app and then reinstall again to re-log in back again, right? Well, let me tell you that you're absolutely wrong, because you can actually log out from Telegram without deleting the application. To do that, if you look on your profile page very closely, on the top right hand side you'll find a little edit button, right? So just tap on that little edit button here. So once you tap on the edit button, you'll be able to see all your personal details, and you can see the logout button right over here. So you just want to make sure to tap on the logout button, and this is where the logout button is located. It was hidden inside the edit folder, but basically now you have it, and now you can just go ahead and then tap on the logout button here. And then once you tap on logout, you can just go ahead and tap on the OK button in order to successfully log out of Telegram. And now you can go ahead and simply log into some other accounts if you want by tapping the start messaging button. And that's all it takes to sign out of Telegram on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.